And so
Hmm.
this is the concept what I call as kind of a, general message passing, that instead of moving, assets in a human fashion, you can move state or you can move programs, right?
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
general message can be anything. It can be
Right.
a sequence of user instructions, it can be a program, it can be state of a program, it can be an asset. So you can define it any way you want, but then you can say, okay, how do I deliver kind of superior one-click experience for the users? And that ultimately ends up coming up, you ultimately have to come up with this sequence of instructions, and you have to send it as a message from one chain to another to
Mm-hmm.
be executed where the user doesn't have to do that routing functionality manually, step by step, right? So that's really the concept of general message passing that we're working through with a lot of developers, so that you can have chain agnostic experiences without thinking about how do I interact with these five different chains if my transaction needs to be executed across them.
So should I reflect? So you said something about essentially managing the routes. So we don't want the humans to have to worry about how to find the route or the optimal route for this message, this program, this state. Is it that you're saying that when folks use Axelar, that routing to where the message should go is handled by the Axelar protocol? And because that is handled by Axelar, you can have thousands of chains. Let's let a million chains bloom. You can trust that Axela will find the optimum route for your program. Is that how we should think about it?
Yep, exactly. It will find the route. It will help you translate the message, right,
Hmm.
from one blockchain to another if it needs to be.
Yep.
It will help
Yep.
you execute it on the destination chain so you don't have to ever think about getting gas.